Hi, boys and girls. Today is lesson 22 for activity 3. We are going to take a practice test today for the spelling words. So I want everybody to get a piece of notebook paper and a pencil because we're going to grade as we go, and that way you'll have this notebook paper at the end to know what words to study for the test by what you miss on the pretest. Okay, so what I want you to do is on the top of your paper, go ahead and write on that top line. Okay, think about where the holes are. On the top line, I want you to write practice test, and you can just put, well, we'll write the word practice. Practice test, your name, and your name. Okay, so practice test and your name. Practice, test, and your name. Okay, then skip one line and put number 1. And let's get ready to take a practice test. First word is cities. Cities. There are many cities in the United States. Cities. Okay, check your spelling. Now, if you get it right, you can put a little star beside it. If you get it wrong, I want you to write it correct out to the side. So cities is C-I-T-I-E-S. If it's correct, you will put a star like this. If it's incorrect, I want you to write it out to the side on the same line. Okay, so city was drop the Y at I-E-S. Number 2, skip a line and write number 2 like this. Cried. I cried when I hit my nose. Cried. Okay, let's check your spelling. Cried. C-R-I-E-D. If you got it right, put a star. If you did not, write it correctly. Remember, don't change your answers on these. This helps you know what words to study before the test tomorrow. Okay, number 3 is puppies. Puppies. Okay, puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Puppies. Next, number 4, skip a line and put number 4. Buried. The dog buried the bone. Buried. Buried. Okay. B-U-R-I-E-D. Buried. Buried. Okay. Next, number 5. Stories. Stories. Okay, write stories. Let's check your spelling. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. Okay, for those of you that only have 5 words, you may stop, and now you know what words to study tonight, so you should get them all right tomorrow. Let's look at your third worksheet this week, proofread for spelling. While helping, so you're reading through the story and you're looking for words that are misspelled. While helping Miss Manica in the library, I have spied and I see a word that's wrong. So I highlight spied. Now what I have seen some of you not doing is you're just writing the words in any order. Try and write them in the order that you find them. So if spied's incorrect, I would go down and write spied, S-P-I-E-D, correctly on the line, okay? So write them in the order that you find them. All right, my secret message on the worksheet today. What do I want my secret message to be? How about you draw a sun today up above or up beside the word word? So right up here, I want you to draw a circle and then put the rays on the sun. So it looks like this, okay? So draw a sun today if you're listening. All right, those of you that do 7 words, let's go back to working. Let's go ahead and do the review words now. So number 6 will be pretty. The girl's hair was very pretty. Pretty. Okay, check your spelling. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Okay, next we have very. Very. It is very warm outside. Very. Remember what letter? V. Very, V-E-R-Y. Okay. Now let's go on for those of you that have 10 or more words. If you just had 5 in the review words, you may stop. Okay, so number 8 is going to be flies. The flies were everywhere. They were so annoying. Flies. Flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. Next we have parties. I love going to parties. Let's check it. P-A-R-T-I-E-S. Parties. Remember, you're starring if you got it right. You're writing it again if you got it wrong. You're spelling it correctly the second time. Next word is tried. Number 10 is tried. 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 I tried my hardest on the test. Tried. T-R-I-E-D. Okay. The next word is pennies. Number 11, pennies. I have so many pennies. Okay. Pennies. Okay. P-E-N-N-I-E-S. Okay, number 12 is fried. I like fried chicken. Fried. F-R-I-E-D. Fried. Okay, those of you that do 10 words in the challenge words, you may stop now because that was 10 words plus the challenge. If you do all 16, let's keep going. Skip a line. Number 13, spied. I spied on my brother. Spied. Okay. S-P-I-E-D. Spied. I'm going to make another column over on this side, number 14. Ponies. I love riding on ponies. Okay, ponies. P-O-N-I-E-S. Ponies. All right, if you do, oh, let's see. Oh, I skipped some. Okay, let's keep going. Number 15 is carried. I carried the groceries into the house. Carried. I'm going out of order a little bit. Carried. Okay, carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D. Carried. Next we have babies. Number 16 is babies. Okay, babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. And I think I got them all. Okay, so if you have 16 words plus the 2, well, that's with the review words, you may stop now. If you're challenge words, let's keep going. Number 17, communities. Communities. We have many communities in Kansas. Okay, communities. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-I-E-S. Communities. Next, number 18, batteries. And on these, if you're out of room on the side, you can just write it correctly down below. That would still work since we're skipping lines. Number 18 is batteries. My remote uses batteries. Batteries. B-A-T-T-E-R-I-E-S. Number 19, factories. 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 F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S. Factories. Okay. Number 20, countries. There are many countries in the world. Countries. Countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Countries. Last word, number 21, libraries. 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 Okay, check your spelling. Libraries. So remember, on every single word, except the two review words, we're dropping the Y and adding IES or ED on every word. I want you to go through your list, whatever words you missed, circle them or highlight them, and put this paper in your mailbox or in your binder. And take those words home and study them tonight so you get an A+ tomorrow on the test. Great job.